Hello everyone. Today we will discuss ChatGPT for data analysis using Pandas. It is an exciting and highly useful topic for anyone working with data. In this session, we will explore how ChatGPT can assist in performing exploratory data analysis and data cleaning using the Pandas library in Python. Data analysis is an essential step in making informed decisions whether in engineering, finance, healthcare or any data-driven industry. However, datasets often contain missing values, duplicates, inconsistencies, and other challenges that must be addressed before meaningful insights can be extracted. This is where ChatGPT becomes a valuable assistant guiding you through the data cleaning, transformation, and visualization. The Pandas library in Python provides the powerful tools for loading, cleaning, analyzing, and visualizing data. And how to utilize that we have already understood in our previous session. So now let's explore how ChatGPT can help automate this task, making data analysis faster and more efficient. Now to understand the pandas for data analysis, you may ask the ChatGPT or provide the prompt, and some of the important prompts are listed over here. Now here you can see that some of the important prompts that you may ask, that is the first one is how to install and import pandas in Python. So if you are a beginner, you are not having any idea, so you may start asking the question from this first one, and in similar manner you may ask for the different questions. Let us go to ChatGPT to understand how it will provide the answer. Now suppose first we want to understand how to install and import pandas. So for that we may ask to ChatGPT how to install and import pandas in VS Code. So here you will see step-by-step information is provided by the ChatGPT, and if you follow this information, you will be ready to use pandas in your programming. Now next you can ask how to structure a data set in the pandas. So you may type, how can I check the structure of my data set? So here you can see that different functions and its use are provided by the ChatGPT, and you may make use of this direct code in your program. So some of the important functions we have already understood in our previous session. Other than this, there are many different functions are available that you may explore using this concept of ChatGPT. Now suppose in your data set you are having the missing values. So you can also ask ChatGPT how to manage that missing values. So you may type, how can I handle missing values in pandas? So here ChatGPT will suggest methods and best practices based on the nature of your data. Same way, based on data, you may ask, how do I remove duplicates from my data set? So for that, again, it will guide you with step-by-step instructions explaining when to use subset parameters and how to handle large data sets efficiently. Now, if you are having the large data set, there is also possibility that you may ask that how you can summarize the categorical data using the pandas. So let us type, how do I summarize categorical data in pandas? So here ChatGPT will provide code snippets and alternative approach like pivot tables and cross tabs, and how to utilize them in our program. So before engineer makes any decision, they must clean and analyze this data set. ChatGPT helps streamline this process by suggesting how to remove missing values, how to filter materials, and how to detect outliers in the data. By using ChatGPT alongside Pandas, we save time, improve accuracy, and enhance efficiency in decision making. So here you can observe that there are lots of different functions and their usage are provided by the ChatGPT. So in this session, we explored how ChatGPT can assist in data analysis using pandas by automating tasks like data inspection, cleaning, summarization, and filtering. Mastering these techniques will help you work more efficiently with data, extract valuable insights, and make better decisions in any industry. I encourage you all to practice these techniques using real world data sets and explore how ChatGPT can assist in solving complex problems. I hope you got the clarity how this pandas library is useful in real world scenarios and in the mechanical engineering field.